Well, hey! He's right there! They're right here, look at him! Look! Hey! Hi! Look, Juanita! Look, they're right here!
That was awesome. Hola peeps.
One more time.
Hola peeps.
What's happening?
Phenomenon.
Hey everybody, we are at the boat, Fishey Fishey.
Feels like it's been forever since we've been back to her.
Yes, it has been forever since we've been back to her. Beautiful day. And Juanita, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning. I'm wiping her down. This is the best house cleaning ever. You can wipe down the entire place in a day.
There you go.
Cannot do that at a regular home.
This is true.
Unless it's a small house. And that's
Gotcha. So, we're working on some projects, and while she is cleaning and wiping stuff down, I am replacing these LED lights, and I'll show you with what I'm replacing them with. We're going to silence is bad.
Dun, da, da, da.
I can't reach it. We're replacing them with these. They're much smaller than these, and hopefully they'll be a little brighter. So we'll see. But that's what
they're brighter or as bright.
or as bright. Yep. So we got 6 of them. There's only 4 lights in here, but I think we're gonna try and do an extra one. So that's what I'm working on, and I'll show you once we get one done.
Yeah.
And then we'll do another one.
Yeah.
So, but it is beautiful.
It is a gorgeous day today.
You want to show them beautiful day in Charleston?
Sure.
I'll give it to you, and I'll get to work.
Okay. Gorgeous day in Charleston. He's going back to work. Here we go. It's just gorgeous out here. Nice and calm. Sun is out. But it is just a gorgeous day. Most definitely. It's peaceful, which is really nice. We like that. Sun is bright. So, and then we have my helm cover that I made. Me and my daughter Jessica. We made that. So we like it. It kind of fits us a little out there. But yes, beautiful day in Charleston, and we will get back to doing the stuff down there in the boat. Talk to you all later. Alrighty, we've got 2 lights done. We have this one right here, and Mike is finishing up with that one right there. So he's got 2 more to do, but again, we think it's the same brightness as the other ones, but they just look good. So we'll let you know when the other...
They're definitely smaller.
They are.
I like them.
They're very bright though.
I think they're at least as bright as what we have.
I think so. So he's done really well. So 2 more to go.
We're hanging outside, watching the sunset.
Yep.
With this beautiful one right here.
Yeah, I hear you.
Slack tide.
Yeah.
See all the boats facing
Facing us.
slowly changing direction.
Oh, you can see just a little bit of the moon up there.
Oh yeah. We got some big boats down here.
It's gorgeous out here today.
It really has been.
We're hoping for good weather for tomorrow.
Yes.
If so, we're out early. Into the Atlantic we go.
Maybe. Maybe.
Sounds good.
Thought we would share the evening.
Yes. Really pretty.
Been a beautiful day.
Yes. Got a little bit of our projects done.
We're working on it. Yep.
A few, which is fine. Nice and slow.
It's clean.
It is clean.
You have cleaned well.
So, that's always a good thing.
This is true. Very pretty.
Yep. Yeah, one of those birds scared the jitters out of me earlier.
Yep.
It landed right next to me and I wasn't expecting it.
There is a dolphin right here, and of course this boat is probably going to scare it back under the water.
Because it was like right there. He wasn't.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, there he
It
is.
popped it up.
Yep. He's not a very big dolphin. His fin is really small. So is that a porpoise? Porpoise isn't a dolphin. They're two different things, right?
I
They're the
have
same
no-
thing. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Yep, we got that on YouTube.
I'm sorry, people. Right now you got
So,
regular
adolescent.
dolphins, spinner dolphins.
This is true. There are different type of porpoises.
That's so bad. And of course,
Are they going to come up again?
anymore.
Yeah, it's, until I turned it off.
They're so good for that. I wonder if it came up because of that wake. They seem to like when it's a small wake, you kind of see them come up. I don't know why.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's gone. It's fishing somewhere.
Wait,
We saw one.
we did see one. There's a crane right there. Water. It's a beautiful evening.
That's a gorgeous one here, doesn't it?
The moon, it does.
The moon came out more.
Yep.
Oh, birds.
Is that a planet or a star?
I don't know. Okay, down
Is that a crane or a herring? Crane? I
there.
don't.
Aren't the cranes white?
Sure. I don't know what it is. It's a bird with long legs and a beak.
Then you got the blue heron, which I thought is like that. I don't know.
I have no idea.
These poor people are gonna go, oh my god, are those people stupid?
Okay. What do you say? Hey, peeps. So, we finished the lights.
Might finish the lights.
It may be a little bright, but we'll do it like this, maybe. So we added an extra one over there, where Juanita is cooking dinner.
Yes.
What you making?
Kung Pao chicken.
Kung Pao chicken. It's really good. In the meantime, I'm kicking back. I'm relaxing.
Relax.
We've been doing good today. Huh?
Yeah. We didn't overdo anything, which was nice.
Yep.
Kind of relaxing.
And what are we gonna try and do tomorrow?
Go 5 miles offshore.
We're gonna at least try and go out, and we'll see where it goes. Maybe we can get up offshore. That would be cool.